Need a tree service contractor? Then contact our professional and friendly team to learn more about our range of tree services designed to solve most tree problems. Every one of our professionals have acquired years of training and experience, which ensures you get the very best tree care available. Our knowledgeable staff is waiting to hear from you and answer any specific questions you may have. Just call the number below and ask for a consultation. Let us prove our commitment to your satisfaction, as we promise to maintain the highest level of quality and performance. Your satisfaction is our prime concern. So please don't hesitate to contact us and let us show you all the great tree service options we have available.